The layers of the cortex can be visually distinguished in two ways. One is by the orientation of the columns of cells, and therefore the capillaries that lie between them. In the outer zona glomerulosa, the cells are arranged in curled columns. The columns then straighten out into almost perfectly radial alignments in the zona fasciculata. And then, once again, they become more disorganised again in the zona reticularis. The layers also differ in the appearance of the cells. The cells of the middle layer, the zona fasciculata, are largest and much paler. The cytoplasm of these cells look very foamy. This is because the numerous droplets of steroid hormone precursor, or lipid droplets, which fill their cytoplasm, become leached out during slide preparation. The cells of the two adjacent zones look much darker. The blood supply to these sinusoids in the adrenal cortex and capillaries in the adrenal medulla is quite unique. A cortical arteriole from the capsular branch of the suprarenal artery branches into capillaries that may be followed in a straight path from near the capsule to almost the boundary between the medulla. The parenchymal cells form columns, one or two cells wide between these capillaries. As the blood leaves the zona reticularis, it enters the sinusoids of the medulla and also bathes these cells. So hormone secretions from the adrenal cortex can have an almost immediate effect on endocrine cells in the adrenal medulla. One other feature of vasculature is that medullary arterioles, also from the capsular branch of the suprarenal artery, run down the thickness of the cortex, all the way from the capsule into the medulla. You can see small transverse profiles of them in various locations in the cortex as they pass down to the medulla. They gain their name from the fact that they deliver fresh blood to the medulla. Thus, cells in the adrenal medulla have a direct arteriole supply instead of only relying on blood that the cortical cells have first received.